The final part of this online lesson deals with printing a time distance chart to paper. In this specific example, we would like to print the chart to A3 landscape paper. If we proceed to the TILOS Explorer, and by clicking on the view with resource data, we can then return back to our main working area with the resource data included in the whole plan. If we then reduce the size of the plan in the main toolbar to 25%, and by clicking on the Show Print Pages icon, and then by clicking on the print settings, we can then choose Print on One Page option, and we can see here that the print calculates at 104% of the actual page size. However, we can see if we move the print settings slightly away to the right hand side, we can actually see that the sheet does not totally fit the borders. So if we then tick the box Print on One Page and reduce the size to 100% and click on OK, we can then adjust the size according to the borders, the perimeters that we move in. So using your mouse, just again click on the spacer symbol, and up here just slightly to your right hand side, we now have an output format that we can then print in a moment. It is also worth mentioning here that we can actually change the column width and height values in the details toolbar below on the left hand side and on the right hand side. The last line shown here where my mouse arrow is, the last line shows the width of the total drawing. So now basically we can finally start printing this plan to paper. Finally, by changing the start and end coordinates in the details toolbar at the bottom of our screen in the cell settings view tab, I can reduce the area which I would like to show on a different scale within the project. And in addition to this, the pictures basically that have been drawn in the plan can also be clipped too. So if I would like to change my start and end coordinates to 2000 meters, to example 3000 meters, and hitting return, I can see that graphically the view that I wish to print has now been reduced in accordance with the start and end coordinates. The graphics above, as you can see here, have also been clipped accordingly, and the reason for this is that I can provide a level of detail of a plan either for my work crews in the field, or for example a contractor, or management or stakeholders. This is the reason basically for doing this. So we have now reached the end of this online tutorial. I would like to thank you for your time.